before we start the live demo, if you have any question, please put it down in the chat box. I guess we are on time. We are going to go live with the devices now, how to create quiz and all those things. Just to give you information, this is our session Kahoot. We will be having next week session on Padlet, and after that we'll be having session on exam.net. I'm going to go live. Everything what we have discussed, I'll be showing you on screen. So okay, so as I told you, this is you type in Google Kahoot, and this is what will be visible. You need to just click on the first option available. I'm going to go little slow. I guess there's a lag. Okay, so Miss, hold on. I'm going live now, and we are understanding how it works. So this is the Kahoot page when it comes to you. So if you've even missed out a little bit during the presentation, you will be able to understand everything back again. So you need to click on top right, which is login. The moment you click on login, you will have to definitely put your email ID for logging in. And because I've already entered my email ID and I'm already there, so I guess it will not ask me to log in, hopefully. Okay, I'll wait. One day it will come, hopefully today only. Okay, so we'll have to wait until it comes up. Yeah, it's there. You can see, yeah, it's my ID only, and you can see all the Kahoot which I have created. As I discussed, your interest, you can just click on this. You will be able to see what all are the interest which you want to just put it hide, or you want to edit interest. You can just click on discover. Okay, I hope it's reaching to all of you. Yeah, you can click on discover, and you can just type out whichever topic you want, and you can see. So let's say I'll type out what is the hot topic right now. The hot topic is Bollywood. Last time I picked example of Bollywood, but I'm not going to pick it out. We'll do something else today. Okay, so when you click on Kahoot, all the Kahoot which you have created, you can see how many Kahoots I have created till now, and all of them will be visible, hopefully. Hope it won't. Yes, you can see all the demos which we have created. This is my 23rd webinar, and I'm doing multiple webinars. So I have also created, there is also a demo created with YouTube video also, that how Kahoot me you can add YouTube video even in the free version, that I'm going to show it to you. And as I told you, for looking at report, you need to just click on report and you're set. So you can see all the report, and I guess after that we'll be just going ahead with the creating Kahoot. Hopefully it comes up. Yes, we'll have to wait until it comes up. So having a very active internet connection is also very important. Strong internet connection is very important. Okay, so you can see all the reports which are there, whether you have created, but have, is it complete? Have you played with it or not? So you can see these are all the reports which are there, but not finished yet. So now are we good to go? Let's talk about creating. So I'll click on create. So I'm going to create a Kahoot. It's 5:45. I guess 5 minutes should be sufficient for me to create, and 3 minutes for you people to play it live also. So I would request all of you to have a mobile phone handy if you can. So what you need to do is, you will need only when we will be playing. Right now, just pay attention. Let's When I clicked on create, it this option came up. I need to just click on create new Kahoot, and you can see this option is available. So as I told you, first thing you need to do is go to the first page, which is the title page. You need to click on this setting. The moment you click on setting, so this is introduction title webinar 23 demo. So that's my title for this session. I can just add image also, and now image, when you want to add, there are two options: upload image or image library. Image library is not available for free. You need to just click on upload image, which I have already done settings. So hopefully it comes. Yes, so I'll just take the image which is here. So that became my image. So you can see how it will come up. So that's a live demo, and we can just write something here, whatever we want to write it about, language, whichever language, and now I'm done. So this is my initial page is ready, which is my cover page. Webinar 23 demo is ready. Now let's start adding the questions. So as discussed the recent topic, recently Okay, just I'm going to go quickly. So if there's spelling error, just avoid that. Recently, this player announced. Okay, retirement. So avoid the spelling part if any where it goes wrong. So what I'll do, I'll be showing you all the example that you just don't want to put anything else, only the quiz question. So you can see recently this player announced retirement. You can just put it that 20 seconds time. I don't want to give 20-second time. So what I'll do is 10 seconds time. I will be giving it to you. Options are: is it Sachin? Is it Lakshman? I hope all of you know who's Lakshman. Is it okay? Pandya, and is it Reina? So I don't want to put Dhoni because there's another question for Dhoni in our setup. So this question is ready. Awesome. Yeah, I've added. And now your question is ready. You will also have to mark the correct answer for the participants. Right now it's a demo, so you will be able to see. So that's a correct answer we have done. Now I can just click on the add question. Next question is ready. So you can see my first question is ready here. Hopefully, yes. And when I click on add question, I get option of quiz and true or false. So I click on, let's say, quiz. And now this time what I'll do is I'll just try to pick a question which is already available. So what I'll do, I'll just click on question bank. And because we're talking about cricket, so let's say 1983 World Cup. Okay, so let's see if something comes up related to this. So here it is. You can see questions related to 1983 World Cup. It's not science, still things are there. So all the other subjects, co-curricular teachers also can have a lot of things available. So I can just pick this question. Everything is set over there, and hopefully it comes up. So you can see my second question is also ready. You can see my second question is also ready. Now, as I showed you, first one without anything, just a question with the answer. Second, I have not tried to create. So what I'll do here, I'll just, okay, what I'll do is I'll try to delete this, because until you have proper setup ready, you will not be able to do anything. So I've shown you one example of having four options. Second, picking question directly from the library. Third option is, let's say, have a true false question. So in true false question, again, there you can see image library is again for the paid version. These two we can pick it up. So I'll click upload image. So I'll upload image which is already there on my screen, which I have already pre-planned. So okay, so the question is, Dhoni is the only captain to win World Cup for India. So is it so, true or false? As I told you, avoid the spelling if anything is wrong. So is it true or false? Just now, I guess we have seen true. Somebody saying true. Miss Sai Sudha, you are saying true. Just now we had answer that 1983 India won the World Cup. So no problem. It's okay. Now, so we have added true false question. We have added a MCQ multiple choice question. We have added question without any colors, without any images, just a sample question. Now let's also talk about adding a question which is okay, just a question. Let's see. So now what I'll be doing here is I'm going to try YouTube now. So on YouTube, first thing is you need to go to YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. If you feel, please go to it, have a look at it. If you feel something is good, like it, and share it also. So this is my one of the video. So what I'll do right now, I'm just going to take the link here. I hope it is visible. I just press Control C, and I'm going to go to Kahoot. I'm going to click on YouTube link, and you must have seen just now I took a YouTube link from my own channel. So I'll just Control V here. Hopefully it comes up, and you can see the video which I took from my own channel is visible here. and for 20 seconds the video will play. So you can decide from where you have to start, where you have to end, and this is added up to your quiz. So I gave you example. This is from my own channel. Now let's put a question. So question, this is a video related to Google Forms. We have taken one session. So Google Forms can be used for. So let's add the option for quiz, for survey, for exam, and okay, all of this. I guess Google Form can be used for all of this. So this way our quiz is ready. You can see 4 questions I added in just like very short amount of time. And if you want to see how it is visible to the participants, you can just click on preview, and you can see the video is visible, the options are visible, and you can see actually how it is going to be visible to the participants. That's also is available. So this is a small demo of how you can see, and on the left side you can see the timer. So let's say I click on this and we are all set. So which is the correct answer will be visible to you. Let's go to exit preview and let's finish this quiz. My quiz is ready. I need to click on done. Hopefully everything works fine, and you can see I can just test everything and all done, and I'm clicking on done. So my quiz is ready. I guess all of you are ready with your another device to play it live. Okay, so hopefully it comes. You can see just now we created webinar 23 demo. Awesome. So I guess all of you are ready with the another device. So today you will need another device for playing Kahoot. So I'm going to put it like this. So let's go live. I'm going to click on teach. The moment you click on teach, okay, hopefully it comes. Yes, the options are available. Player versus player, one-on-one device, classic. I'll go, and here we are ready. So ready to join. Are we all ready? Can I see some thumbs up? If you are ready with another device. Okay, so great. So I'm gonna put sound off for some time. Okay, so what you need to do is go to kahoot.it and type in the game code, type this. So let's see, somebody is already there with name K. Awesome. Sheetal is also there. SHW is there. Awesome. Let's see. Okay, great. So because if you are live, then only it will make a lot of difference. Someone named Neeta Tanistar is there. Awesome. BJ, Manju, SHW. Come on, guys. Let's have at least 10 to 15 participants, because for others, I'm going to keep the sound on when these people will play, so that you will also understand how it looks like to all the participants. Awesome. 3 more players, if they are ready, we can begin. Although we have 80 participants. Okay, we can have at least 20 participants ready to play another device. Come on, guys. Let's see who wins today. More than winning, it's also about the accuracy. Come on, we can see many people joining in. Awesome. 23. Come on. 25 at least. Okay, great. One more person. Okay, Anumesh is there. Great. So I guess we are ready to go now. I'm going to click on start. What you all need to do is you all need to look at my screen and answer the question on your screen. So I'm going to begin now. Okay, so I'm keeping also the sound on so that it is good. And you can keep on moving along with the sound. So we have right now 29. One more, come on. One more participant, come on. 29. So I'm going to start now. 30. We are done with 30. So that was our title. I hope the sound is heard by everyone. Keep on looking at my screen and you have to answer on your screen. Okay, you can see 30 participants and 20 answers I've got, and I guess one person still gave wrong answer. Great, no problem. This is just a demo. So going ahead, next question. You can see who's leading. The scoreboard is there on screen. Sheetal Miss is leading right now. Come on, let's go for the next question. Come on, very good. You can see people are answering 26, 27. Come on, come on, come on. Two more. Awesome. Everyone answered. Great. So we can see everyone has answered. So we can move ahead. Still two people gave wrong answer. Four people still gave wrong answer. I don't know. No problem. Happens. Chalo, let's go for the next question. Are we ready for the next question? If I can see just thumbs up on screen. Okay, great. So let's go for the next question. Let's see who's leading right now. Sheetal Miss is still leading. K has gone down. Sudha Miss is on second position. Let's go for the third question, which was true false. Come on, come on, come on. So I got 30 answers. I'm going to move ahead now. I'm going to skip this. Great. Six people gave wrong answer. Oh my God. No problem. Happens. But 24, you were correct. Awesome. Let's go for the last question. And as I told you, last question from my YouTube channel, I've picked it up live. I've shown you. Let's have a look at it. Who's winning right now? Sheetal Miss is still leading. Let's go for the last question of the quiz. And here we go. Around four people are still waiting for the video to get over. So that was all. I guess these were all the questions. Still three people gave wrong answer. Oh my God. Happens. No problem. Chalo, koi baat nahi. So this was all about the quiz. You can see the podium. Let's see who's the winner here. So, oh, SSS is winner. No. K is winner. Let's see. Who's the winner? So that's the spotlight and Miss Sheetal is the winner. So can we have clap for her on screen? Awesome. Great. Let's clap for her. Very good. Awesome. So this is all about the quiz. Now when we click on next, you can see all the reports available, which how many people felt difficult question. All the questions were almost answered by everyone correctly. So no one found anything as difficult question. And this is how you can play again. You can click on view full report and you can just, have you stopped sharing the screen? View report. I've not stopped sharing the screen, but still I'm seeing the report, which is for my own self. Hopefully it comes up on screen. One day it will come up. Okay, we are waiting for it. Yes, yes, yes. And here we have the report, hopefully. You can see this was our quiz. 72% people have given correct answer. 33 players have played, and you can see how much time. And you can just click on this. I can just download. I can just take the print and all those things. I guess this was all about Kahoot. And I guess we are on time at 6 o'clock. And I guess I was able to show you the demo of Kahoot. So now if you have any question, please put it in the chat box. About poll, I guess Panna Miss have shared how to do poll live. Do we have to register with school ID? I guess I've answered. You don't have to register with school ID. How to create a group? I guess I've answered that. How many quizzes can be prepared in free version? As many as you want, till you're not trying to take up thing which is not in the free version. How to conduct a quiz online? I've shown you, Shirley Miss, how to conduct. Can Kahoot be done on mobile? Uh, Literally I can't say you can, because you need two device and student have to look at your device to answer, so difficult to do it on mobile phone. But playing, yes, you can play it on mobile. How to share the content with the student? I guess I've answered that. You can share it, you can share via the link and the code. How to share the content with student? Which one would be better, quizzes or Kahoot? Totally up to you, but if it comes to devices, number of devices, quizzes far more is very interesting, very I won't say which is better, but I have found quizzes better. That's why I'm using quizzes also in my classroom, and that's what was the reason that we took session on quizzes. But there was a lot of inquiry about Kahoot, and Many teacher asked for it, and that's why we are doing this session on Kahoot. How can we share PPT on Kahoot? You can't, because if you want to take PPT, then you have to take for paid version. Sir, have we to log in first? Yes, we need to log in if you want to create it. Otherwise, as a participant, you don't have to log in. You can just enter the game code and start. Can we edit it whenever we want? Yes, you can edit. There is option available with you. Is there an option to edit the quiz in case of last minute changes or addition? Yes, there is option of editing. How to share with student? I guess I've showed you how to share. How to join in? I guess Mary ma'am, there was Kahoot.it. You need to type it and code is available. So that game code had to be entered. Where is the duplicate option? When you pick it up from the discovery, as in someone else's Kahoot, option of duplicate is available. Kahoot link, please. I've just there was no link. There was site, and you had to enter the code. From Kahoot, is it possible to send to Google Classroom? Yes, it is possible. You can do that. Can we write once we share the link with student? I guess once you have done sharing of link and they have started playing, you cannot write. But if you have given assignment, you can do changes in the details. How to play Kahoot on Zoom? Do we need two devices? Kunali Mehta, I guess we have played Kahoot online on Zoom, and yes, you need two devices. That's one I could say barrier for specifically Kahoot. How to share YouTube video? I guess I have shared YouTube video. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Anjana miss. Is there any other option except play play live? Yes, you have option of playing live, or you have option of sharing as an assignment. Great, but students usually don't have two devices with them. Yes, Dipali miss, that is one of the barrier we could say. Otherwise, you can use quizzes, or you can assign Kahoot to them. Could the detail extension be of any help? If you want to use it for the basic purpose, I guess free version helps you out in as much possible way as you want. But if you want to explore more, you can take paid version. Otherwise, it's sufficient. How many students can play all together? I guess 100. I missed a starting part. No problem. We all miss starting part. You will be able to catch up later if you can just practice it. Can we play live? We have played live. Please repeat. I have repeated everything on the live session also. Once we assign, then it's just like using quizzes too. Yes, definitely it's same as what we did in quizzes, but the only difference was on quizzes questions and answer options were available on their screen. Here they will have to look at the speaker's screen or teacher's screen for the questions, and they have only boxes, color boxes for answering. Very nice, sir. How the sound effects? Sound effects is by default. I have not added anything. There are also option of changing the sounds as per the requirement, which is given in Kahoot itself. Great. Thank you for conducting webinar. Are the results of previous quiz still available with the teacher? Yes, as I showed you, my results were also available. All the results, all the quiz which you will play with the student will be visible to you in the report section. Can we take a printout of quiz generated? Yes, you can take the printout of the report which is generated. A quick revise of how to start. Okay, you need to type Kahoot and you are there. You are ready to start. How many quiz can you save? That I have not explored more, but I guess at least start doing it and maybe you'll understand. I haven't gone through any detail where it says that how many quiz. I guess it will allow you as much as you want, but still you need to explore more. All there ready questions like quizzes that we can use? Yes, there are definitely ready questions also available, and ready made on the based on topic quizzes are also available. You can pick it. When we add questions from the already present question bank, the answer is already selected from the backend. No, if somebody has already created, so if someone try to take my quiz which is created demo, you don't have to pick anything. You need to just add question and everything is by default done. You don't have to change it manually. And how is the winner decided? Because answers were correct. So whoever answers quickly will be the winner. Don't forget the time factor is also important. So accuracy and time both are important together. Can we explore both Kahoot and quizzes? We have, you can, you should, by the way. Even I did not practice because of two device. No problem, Anjana miss, you can try it out. Import slides and import spreadsheets are available on paid account. Yes, you are true, Salima miss. Kahoot, can Kahoot be played at our own pace or when online only? Yes, you can play it or at your own pace only, but in that case you need to assign it as homework. So You need to share it as assignment, and then it can be done at their own pace also. You can revisit again and again. I did it using one device only. Okay, Shikha Miss is already done because you knew the question and answer both. That's why you did it with one devices. Does the point depend upon the net connection? Definitely, if you're doing anything online, it will definitely depend on net connection. Both teachers as well as students. Otherwise, student will see the question. Student will see the option when the question is gone. Hi, Mary ma'am. I guess that's my teacher from the B.Ed college. Great. Good to see you here, ma'am. I hope I was somewhat little bit helpful here. Great. Thank you. Thank you, Mary ma'am. Is it possible to save question or print out? I guess question is not possible, but report you can. I have not explored still. Okay, and rest all. Okay, Palomi Miss is saying yes. So great. Time limit to add video is 20 second, I guess. Okay, great. I guess that's it from our end. And don't forget, next week, same time, 5 to 6, we will be having session on Padlet. That's another tech tool, very easy but very interesting tool also. So we are done with it. It's all learning and sharing from each other.